Well guys, we're back out for another adventure. I mean, there's not many left, so I'm trying to get it as much as I can. So today I think it's a bit of an overcast day, but I want to, and the wind isn't too bad today, so I want to kind of try and get to some islands that I've seen off the coast called the Limestone National or Limestone Provincial Park, one of the two. So I want to see if we can get there. If we can't get there, then if it's rough or anything like that, then we'll just explore a little bit of the shoreline again and just enjoy the day out here. So I hope you come along with me and enjoy this next little adventure. All right, let's get going. Well, we've made it to where we're going to start fishing. Today's just going to be trolling and exploring around. The sun's trying to come out and stuff, so we'll see. But yeah, let's throw the line in and see what we get going from here. So, all right. Well guys, sometimes videos that I try to make, most of the time they work out, you get to see them, everything works out great. This trip has not gone to plan. So where I wanted to go out to those islands out in Georgian Bay, too windy and rough and too cold and probably not the best time of year to do that. Came to go do some fishing back here. Haven't had any luck. I've been out here for 3 hours. I've lost 2 lures, snapped a line. I was like, yo, it's a sign. This video is done. So to save it, the best I can do is hopefully get you some good drone shots of where I am. Maybe there's some good stuff in this. So again, sometimes guys, these videos don't work out, and this is one of them. So, you know, what are you gonna do? Like I said, I'll show you everything. Look, I keep going like this. Be like, I like to show you everything. I mean, I don't try to edit too much out of what happens. So this is what's actually happening in this one. But I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. Like I said, the weather really didn't cooperate. It was supposed to be sunny today. The winds were supposed to be light. That didn't happen. So yeah, what are you gonna do, right? Mother Nature in the fall. So let's throw the drone up in the air at least and see if we can get some shots of something. So enjoy these next little drone clips, and then probably after that we're going to be heading back. So I mean, I love finding these little protected little areas right outside here. It's nice. All right, guys. Well, I mean, that pretty much wraps up this video. It was a bit of a failure, but I mean, being still out on the water this late into the season, it's never a bad thing, right? So I think I got one more trip planned that should be pretty exciting if the weather holds up, which I think it will. So we're going to try that. And otherwise, like I said, guys, I really appreciate this. I'll film my trip back to the launch here just so you guys can see that, because it should be pretty cool. But it is pretty cool. Oh, terrible pun. So anyways, sorry about this one kind of falling apart on us, but I mean, we were out on the water. That's all that matters. So stick around. I think I got one more coming for you after this one, and then that's pretty much it for the season, guys. I really think we gotta shut it down and close it up. So I'll do some stuff in the after season. I'll do some stuff in the off season. Well, I've got a few things in the works for that as well. So all right, guys, let's pack up, head home, head back to the launch. That's probably where we need to go first. So all right, I'm just gonna have a quick drink here, and then we will get on our way. But still, guys, look at this. Ooh, that wind is picking up though. I can hear it in the trees. Love it. All right, guys. Well, guys, that's it. Got it back on the trailer. That pretty much wraps up this adventure, so I'm just going to drive back down to the city. So just want to say thanks so much for watching this one. I know it didn't quite work out as I planned, so hopefully in the edit I've been able to make at least something out of it. So appreciate it if you made it this far. Anyways, guys, I got about one more trip left, barring everything's going all right. And until then, oh my gosh, what am I? Well, until then, guys, be safe out on the water, even though the season's come to an end. But if you're out on the water anywhere else in the world, enjoy it, be safe out there, and we'll catch you in a little bit. Peace.